Then I traveled to the United States, where I received the certificate of orthodontic training. I also did my PhD research at Medical College of Georgia, which is now known as Augusta University. When I returned to Cairo, I was able to get the ABO certification in 2006. And then I remained to work as a professor at Cairo University until the year 2016. Currently, I'm in private practice in Zayed city in Giza. This is Giza here. Giza is well known for the pyramids and the Sphinx. As you can see, there is about 7 hours difference in time between Cairo and Seoul, and a flight that is almost 14 hours long. Well, let's get started and talk about impacted cuspids. A cuspid is considered to be impacted when it is still in an infraosseous position, well after the time of its normal eruption. The incidence of cuspid impaction is about 1 to 3% according to the population. It comes second after the impactions of the third molars. The maxilla is known to have a higher frequency of impactions, more than the mandible. It also tends to occur more on the palatal aspect than on the buccal, and the reverse is actually true in Asians. So maybe in Korea, it's the opposite to Caucasians. Palatal impactions occur more in females with a ratio of 2 to 1 to males, and 8% of the impactions are bilateral. The